Hello, my dear friends. Is voice clear? Hello, is voice clear? Let me know. Is voice clear? And please like, like the stream, please. Okay, BTC is taking the rejection, and BTC takes the liquidity of upside, and we have okay, and the trend line rejection. What will be the scenarios? Let's check out the news today on 1 October. ADP non-farm employment change done. But at 7:30 p.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, so still we have 1.5 hour. Is voice clear? I am asking to you guys, is voice clear or not? Oh my god, BTC took the rejection and we are near to the, so if I say it will be a support, act as a support on a small time frame on 5 minutes. If we go, let's see what we can do. Hello. Okay, gold is going terribly down, so this will be the support zone for the gold. If gold hold this level, then definitely we are going to buy gold. I think no one is here. Hello. Okay, this is the volatility before the opening of the market, and BTC is coming down again. And I think it took the liquidity and it will come down more again. Okay, so we can play for short. On BTC, I am going with the for 51% amount with the short, and the SL is just above this level. What? Why? Let's check it. Why it is not opening? Okay, now order placed with 25% quantity. SL is about this. Let's go. For the short of BTC, we have a trend line support over here. Let's see. Ethereum is also coming down from, and this will be the range for the Ethereum. Okay, let me change the color. Not looking good. Yes. So pink box and expecting some downside move in BTC and the trade initiated. Let's see. Stop loss is this blue line. If our stop loss triggered, then definitely we are going for the long side. Stop loss is the last swing. Let's check other indexes also. Okay, so overall, if I say that this is a great supply in US 30, so expecting some range bound movement, then we can see upside move. US oil. Okay, if I say something, then this is a trend line resistance and a trend line liquidity hunt done. Now you can open your long for Euro USD. But I think okay, with small SL after the closing of this candle we will plan, or with small SL we can go with 1:3. Okay, in Euro GBP USD is going up. You can plan long GBP JPY. It will fly, and the target will be this for the GBP JPY. Or next one is USD JPY. USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, I think I have an open position in USD JPY. XAU gold is uh, taking support from this level, but after the liquidity hunt I will open. Okay, so guys, one thing I definitely going to claim that this is going to be a very huge breakout. Once it break this, then you will see silver will perform like BTC, a 85% till the next target for the silver will be 75 for the next year. So it will be a swing trade. So if you are a trader, forex trader, then you can open trade in silver, accumulate silver because silver will fly tremendously in next 2-3 quarters. Okay, BTC is going up, so it trapped us. No, it not trapped us. Okay, a double bottom on 1 minute. Okay, it's a double bottom on 1 minute. Breakdown, retest, again break, uh, breaking the lower low. So let me check here. Okay, so we are just on our levels. So I think people uh, so today we will discuss some coins also. Today we will discuss some coins. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Or if we see something on liquidation, then we can see here there is no magnetic liquidity is here. Or if we turn it into the 12 hours, then so expecting some downside move. Let's see. Let's see the gold also. Gold is coming down. So I will not suggest you to trade on 1 minute time frame. Mhm. Okay, if gold makes a double bottom on 1 minute time frame, then definitely we will buy gold from here. Okay, so that will be the plan. Anyone open the trade, guys, with me on live? Okay, so let's go. We will discuss some coins over here, and it is the near. And if we go to the 4 hour time frame, guys, so you can see here. So scenario for the near is simply it's hunt the liquidity of this level, and you can see here now it is going parabolically. Now it is at the resistance, so resistance level for the near is this level. So after breaking out this level, I am expecting some this kind of move in near, so it can go further up from here. So this will be the scenario for the near. Or if this breakdowns, then next target for this is this area. So this is the liquidity hunt zone of near. So it will definitely hunt this if it will not survive from here. But if no major bearish news in the market comes, then we will see it will fly from here. Okay, next one is fate. So fate also hunts the liquidity of this area. Now expecting some good move after making the higher high and higher low. So target for the hunt. So this is the scenario for the fate. So from here I'm expecting this kind of move, and this will be the target. At least it will come to 0.87, but for as a safe trader, I will suggest you to book profit near 0.80 because it's a psychological level. That's why. Mhm. Okay, so this is overall, and GRT is also making good pattern and breaks out this and hunt the liquidity of this zone. Now expecting some consolidation and then a upside move, higher and higher low, higher low is the major pattern which is a high success ratio. So you can use this pattern, and hype is also breaking out from this trend line, now also making this trend line. So let's hope for the best, but the liquidity is hunt now, expecting a good move, and we are in the October. So October is like a bullish run. So expecting some good move in BTC and overall alts market, and especially in Ethereum. I am expecting Ethereum will claim 4,000 soon. Oh, sorry, 5,000 soon. Yes, this is Ethereum, and Ethereum is ranging in this range. So breakout or breakdown will decide what will happen. But from here, if we hunt the liquidity of trendline pool, then definitely we have to change our decision and close our trade and go on the upside. But according to the liquidation, there is nothing much on the upside. So let's see the major liquidity hunt, 109 million liquidity in last 48 hours hunted. Now we had not a good liquidity, 117 hunted again. Yes, BTC can go up, because sometimes technical note works in the higher buying areas. So let's see a very, if we see a very good rally in last 2 days. So this week is a green week for us. Yesterday we see a very good rally, and today again BTC pumped very well. So BTC is making higher high and higher low. If you go into the 1 hour, you can see here BTC is following this pattern here. So from exact this level BTC, what BTC done? See here, a box pattern, okay, a breakout, a small consolidation, a breakout, a liquidity hunt, trap the buyers from here, and again trap the sellers from here, and making double bottom kind of pattern, some consolidation here and a good move. Now again we are at the major zone, and if you see that we are at the trend line resistance, and we have a horizontal resistance over here also. So a pullback from this level I am expecting. That's why I took that short trade. Already one short trade I taken from this level, but its stop loss got hit of 350 points, but it's okay. Again, yes, this time London session was good pump, but US uh, government is shut down. So let's see what impact will be on BTC. I opened short with 25% quantity only because we are against the trend. So if I am against the trend, I will always use less quantity. If I have a plus setup, then definitely I will use 100% of my quantity. But it's not my 100% setup, but why I shorted it, because if you see this candle is purely a liquidity hunt candle. So on the basis of this candlestick, that's why I took this short. Or uh, so let's see. A small SL and a big target. Only these things I am expecting from the market. Yes, there is lots of confusion in the market. What to say? Now gold is coming down and we have a news also. After 1 hour we have a news. So let's wait. Uh, if I am not wrong, then we can see it as a complex head and shoulder also, like this. So there is many possibilities in the market right now. So that's why I am going with only 25%, but only one possibility will work in October, the spot buying. Definitely the good projects will go very well. And I have A, R, D, and T. Okay, so this project is also good. See here. So basically, it's hunt the liquidity of this level. Okay, here this is the liquidity hunt. Now it's again at the level of resistance, but I am expecting a very good move on upside till this level. Easily we will get this level from 0.19942 to 0.2159. It is a achievable. And if you see on the long run, so time frame could be like a time period could be I think from here, let me find the target first. So okay, so from here, so after the breakout of this level, expecting this will be the target. This zone will be the target for RDNT. So get ready for the boom. Soon this coin will blast. Keep eye on this. Okay, so this is a hold candle or what? See the candles from Sunday to Wednesday. In 3 days, we pumped very hard with altcoins also. 6.49% we pumped from this level. So what I say to you, that we are gonna to pump from this level, but not expecting that much pump from here. A breakout from here, so something is brewing in the market. Thank you, brother. How will the shutdown affect market? Yes, Price action trader will always observe patterns, but it is, if it traps this, then definitely it is going up and up. So market is running like, what will I say? It's trapping the sellers again and again. Okay, so this is a trend line. Now it break the trend line, and if it makes the higher high, then we have to close our trade, because market is in full mood, and Solana is also going parabolically from this level. Okay, I discussed about this in last live, from 209 to 220. Now this time Solana will reach its all-time high soon. In October end or November first week, we are gonna parabolically on the alts. My personal expectation from the market. Okay. Okay, so what will Dogecoin do from here? Let's see. A ascending triangle breakout above this, then we will go for the buy on the small time frame of 5 minutes. Stop loss is this, and the target will be 1:2 here. Okay, so market is following the pattern, higher high and higher low. Now we have to closely watch this, because the London session is open. Now move on to the Forex, and gold is dumping hard, guys. So the I am expecting the stop for the gold will be this area, 3700, 3760. If gold don't survive on this level, then gold will definitely come down. Yes, maybe, it's always maybe, but we have to ready for the plan B also. So it may reject 100k, 118k unless it breaks it, then 120k easy. Yes, possibilities, but 118k from here without a good correction, it's been a hard, because we are 6.49% up already. So there is no impossible thing for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin can go 124k in one candle. It's all about inflow. So if we had a good inflow in ETFs and other sports, then definitely we can see BTC will fly. It is it's a 5 minute. If you say this trend line, then I will mark it like this and like this. So flag and pole maybe, but a ascending flag and pole is like, uh, they quite confusing. Too much confusion in the market and in the structure also. Uh, so You are talking about which trend line? Upside trend line. This trend line, I think you are talking about this trend line of 1 hour. Okay, got it. So you are talking about this trend line. Okay, so confusion, confusion, confusion. Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, higher high. Now expecting higher low from this level. But but we have news in next 50 minutes. So we have to wait 1 hour. Mm, and still we are on the entry. So let's wait. If we are in right direction, then we are gonna print very big money. Or if our direction is wrong, then little bit of our money will gone. So there's the risk management. You see on last live I earned 4,000, oh sorry, 4,500. Okay, and risking only 400, 500, 600. So risk management is always prior. For H, you are talking about 4H. 4H trend line. So which 4H trend line you are talking about? Which one? This is the all-time high. Okay. This is the trend line in making and its breakout. If you say this, it could be possible. So structure is premature on 4 hour. So you can't decide on the basis of 4 hour. If you decide on the basis of 4 hour, then the trend is bullish. And we are trading on the 5 minute. So last 3 days is bullish for us. So overall trend is bullish. We are only trying to scalp on short. But I think BTC is not in the mode. Then which one trend line you are talking about? Which trend line? Mm-hmm. Okay, guys. So let's find some another instruments from here. Okay, we are opened in that position. Now, where is my favorite instruments? So let's start with the Ester. Ester. Okay, so guys, Ester makes the double bottom in 5 minutes, or if I say in 15 minutes also, it's a double bottom kind of pattern. Okay, Esther. So, few words for Esther. Esther looking bullish, and buying zone for Esther is this level. Okay, if we see a bullish reversal, then this will be the area where we can see a bullish. So, you can use limit order also from this area. 1.6 is a good area to long, and have a double bottom on 15-minute time frame. So hmm, so going long on Ester with the 10% quantity. Okay guys, I am managing my risk. You can also manage your risks. I am long on Ester. Okay, I think. Okay, so I will DCA if it come down. Okay. So next one in my radar is AVEX. AVEX, I already made a video of AVEX on my YouTube. It is making the triple bottom kind of pattern, and from 17 to 35, 36, it's a huge number, almost a double 100% return from in last 2 months. Oh, sorry, in 1 month. It's a very huge return. So always watch my videos. Okay, so if we talk about today breakout, now again the same scenario. Let's see. Oh, wait and watch scenario in AVEX. 1000 pp. Okay, so this coin can fly very well because it's in a consolidation zone. After the breakout, you will see a bunch of green candles in Pepe. Okay, so again opening long on Pepe. Okay, next one is link. Same with the link. I will DCA these coins. I'm only long on that type of coins which are looking too much. Guys, this LTC is going to $200 or above very soon. Mark my words, this coin is going to change everyone's life. Those who are holding. I have two coins on my radar, and if you see that on 1 hour, it's already broke this level. Okay, so this coin is going to beyond limits. I had a one coin which are trading near to the level of $600, and soon in this bull wave it is going to above $1,000 and maybe $1,600. till 1600 $1700. We'll share soon in the mark in the premium. And I think Jade EC we given. Yes, this coin we gave you at the level of 36. So from 36 in August we gave this coin. From 36 guys, almost $100, 97, 98, a 169% rally. So where will you found this kind of coins? People is crazy. People trying to find this kind of coins and moves in Twitter, in threads, or on Instagram reels, but it will not found there. It this kind of gem is only found in the Navi's VIP. Okay, so all are in green except BTC. So I think BTC is not in the mood to give us a shit. So uh, uh, so what if we have to do? I think we have to do. Mm, let me check the 5 minute. It is a higher. So everything is depend on this candle. Okay, so waiting, or in next 10 minutes we have a opening of US session also. So already we are long on these coins, LTC, Link, Pepe, and Esther, and will DCA, and I will DCA soon. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can ask, guys. Yes, that's the candle I want from you. What happened? Come on, BTC, give us some good return. Hmm. 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 Complex head and shoulder kitchen spice and sir where you share the coins LTC extra etc. I share this kind of coins in my VIP on Telegram. You can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. ENA. Let me check the ENA. Not here. Now I have to ENA USDT. No, no, no. I don't think. Okay, so for the but the main thing is that This is the resistance zone for the ENA. ENA, sorry. ENA sweep the liquidity. Okay. And this is a very huge liquidity sweep candle. But from now, I am expecting good move in ENA after a consolidation. It's on the 5 minute time frame, or if we see the 4 hour, in 4 hour you can say ENA soon going to touch these levels 0.84 soon, because liquidity sweep done from this high, sorry, it's from this low. You can join our discounted VIP. It is affordable for you guys, so you can inquire for the discounted VIP. It's very discounted for you guys. This service is only for the people who has low capital. Okay, only for low capital holder, to make low capital to a big capital. That's why we started this service. And the scenario for the ENA is looking good. So please, first of all, like, ENA is not following the BTC plan. Check KUSDT. Okay, KUSDT. KUSDT on 4 hour, it is looking like that we had a, or KUSDT for the long term, mid term, or the short term, or for the day trading, for which? One by one I will answer all question, don't worry. Adib alias, you can inquire for the discounted VIP. Okay, Rihanna, ENA is not following the BTC path, brother. Okay. Okay, check KUSDT for the long term. Check 1 day time frame. Okay. So okay. So we are near to the support, almost a support. Or if I say that, so reversal we can expect. If I say in 4 hour, so we are near to this level, but you can expect some reversal from here, but not a huge expectation from KUSDT. It will not again go to that level. This can $1. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, Pengu is very good. I am expecting it will go very huge soon. If you say, if you check Pengu, so it is making a pattern called flag and pole. Okay, so it's an flag and pole. After the breakout of this level, you can expect same result from here. So easily 0.06, 0.1. I am expecting, not too optimistic, but 0.1 easily can achieve in Pengu. And if you want to long, you can long on Pengu, because the consolidation is over. Now it will follow the path of BTC like this. Yes, so this will be this. Check 1 minute looks good for long. Yes, good for long, for the day trade. not for the long term. Okay. JUSDT. JUSDT. JUSDT, brother. If I say JUSDT is make a good W or double bottom kind of pattern. After this consolidation, we can see a upside move in JUSDT. So good candidate for the upside, and it's already taken the liquidity of last low, sorry, of August. Okay, so expected reversal in KUSDT also. Yes. So if anyone is saying that he is 100% accurate, then I think he is not a trader. He is a magician. So in trading, stop loss, profit, both thing happen. Okay, market volatility starts. So if you want to be a good trader, then you have to manage your risk. Risk management is very important. Already given lots of signal. You are saying that you didn't get any signal from my VIP group. I don't think you are in my VIP. Lots of signal we are daily giving in VIP. Yesterday we gave you uh, XRP and TP1 is hit. Daily spot and future calls are we are giving. Then why you are saying this? Okay, thanks you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I just entered JDC USDT at 9. You just entered JDC at 94. We given at the 36. So where did you get entry from this level? Who said you to enter it at this level? Definitely is going to breach the 100 soon. But use some logic to enter. IQ is good. Spot holding is good for IQ. IQ USDT only 1% down. Okay, so IQ. In IQ, something is cooking, and soon you can see that it is going to make a huge difference. A pump from here. Personally expecting pump from here. A big pump till this level in IQ. Yes, better to be safe from magician. People are thinking that there is a trade if we are on live in on YouTube or we are a pro trader, then we don't get in loss or we don't lose. So that's a very big myth. If anyone is saying that they don't miss any, they don't hit a single SL, then he is a magician or some exchange or company, some exchange or company is funding him to prove him a influencer, marketing influencer for their exchanges, nothing else. Stop loss and target both are major role in the market. So risk reward is always, if you are losing 1 rupees, then 5 rupees, at least 3 rupees your target, not 2, at least 3 rupees will be your target. So still you have to learn lots of things. There is lots of magician in the market, so beware, and from scammers also, guys. If you want to genuinely, if you want to earn money, then you have to learn first. Then first learn, then remove L, you will earn. There's this simple concept, nothing else. If you directly want to earn, then you will going to lose your capital very soon. So it's hard for you in the market to survive. There is lots of trader. I'm in the market from 2017. I'm learning from 2017 and still learning daily. I can't say I am a full proper pro trader, but still I am learning. So learning has no limits. You can learn daily something new. Daily you will learn in the market. See, today we learn about this, how market is reacting. But if you see, in the past market same, after making this kind of pattern, dumps. Yeah, see here. Okay. Yeah, this is the perfect example. Market pumps, it hunts the liquidity and dumps. So daily we have a something new to learn in the market. Trading is the game of probability, and this setup is trying to tell me that if this candle break this, then we have to cut the short trade on BTC and try to go for the long again. Is there any trade going on in live, brother? There is. Yes, these are the trades: LTC, Link, Pepe, Ester, BTC short, and one, two, three, four. These all four trades are on the long side. So you are little bit late, but not that late. We opened it. Now it's trading near to the coast only. And check my entries. Manage your risk first. Don't open the trade on a one go. Okay, gold is facing rejection again. Okay, from this level and coming down, and we have a opening of, so we have to wait. Hmm. If you have any other query, you can ask, because still we have 22 minutes left for the news. Sometime hedging will work, sometimes not. So we are into the up to October. October will be for the October. If you guys are not serious, then I will remind you again about this coin. This coin will be the next Solana. I will bet on it. This coin is next Solana, guys. In next 1 year, 2 year, this coin is going to $200 soon. tell me the name of the coin which you are give on your uh, Telegram channel. So already given in the VIPs. So you can contact on Telegram for the discounted VIP. Why TP 115K? Because see the reason. The liquidity on 48 hours, on 24 hours, or either way, anywhere we see is below 114K. But price action is suggesting me that okay, we had a pump from this level, then 115.141 is my target. So at least we can come here. After this we can see reversal, but at least we had a, because if you see that the gap between this and this, so this will act as the support. That's why. So that's, it is a technical target for me to BTC. Okay, yes, today. In there is too many calls in the market, so very hard. Okay, so Doge. Okay, so Doge already gave the breakout. Now coming downside. It took the liquidity of this candle, guys. So exit on the cost. Okay. We will go long on this or for short when it traps these double tops like this. Okay. So from now we will trade only trap patterns, because trap patterns gives you very quick targets, very quick. Dot USDT, you can accumulate dot USDT also. JUP is performing very well. Near is coming down. Exactly, we discussed earlier on this stream. Pepe, Pepe is good for the short. Good short candidate. So overall scenario is bullish in October, but you have to pay some patience, because patience pay off. Render. Okay, so double top kind of pattern, guys, in most of the instruments, so we have to wait. It's been like a, okay, so this pattern is completed. If I say, now we have to wait. If we trap from here, definitely we will going to buy BTC. Yes, Mr. Richest. Yes, the coin at 110 and go up to the $400. You can contact us on the Telegram, because this coin is for only VIP members. There is too many coins which are going to perform. One coin I have which is under 600, but the target could be $1,500. Soon we are sharing with VIP members, so be ready and pack your bags because October, November, and December till December mid. Yes, already sharing too many coins for the members of Telegram. One pattern I see very much, if I shared any call in free Telegram, the people will not take this call, and after flying that they will say one more, one more, one more, and again I share one more, then again they do the same. So why share on free? If anyone needs, then come and join the VIP. Riches, you can also join our VIP at low cost. BTC, LTC coming down. Pepe and Esther. So we have news in some minutes, almost 14 minutes. So I think we have to cut the trade of BTC, guys. Yes, now I am pretty sure I am going to cut BTC trade with the small loss of 400 $300. But definitely I will plan trade on BTC soon. But we have four more position opened. And if we see the Ethereum is in range. Yes, also provided on the stream. You can uh, watch from the starting. Watch from start, you will get the name of the coin. No, 96K not, I am not expecting 96K before December. In after Feb 2026. Now we have to wait for the trade in BTC. Already given the name of the coin. Brother, okay, you are insisting too much. So the coin name is, where is this? Here, LTC. This coin is going to, okay. So BTC, after cutting our trade, BTC is dumping. Okay, I am again opening the trade. Okay. Let's wait. We have news in 11 minutes. So LTC will be the next coin I am betting on from 110 to $400. Okay. And I will not tell you the name of second coin which is going from $500 to $1,500. Okay. So LTC in this season I am expecting $400, and definitely it will go to the 400 soon. In next 3 months, you will see LTC at the 400, Solana at the 1000. So that will be the coins you are watching. Okay, so if you are not in our VIP, so watch daily streams. We gave daily coins, daily altcoins to you guys, and daily we discuss about the coins. Okay, too much volatility before the news. We have news in 10 minutes, so we have to wait. $105K before December. If it comes to 105K, then definitely it is going to fill the CME pending gap of 92K, not 96K. Support system, support system. Okay, so the support system for BTC is trading in the channel, uh, taking support from this level. We are waiting. Do you see any pullbacks, major pullbacks or retracement or bearish structure after the shutdown of government in the US? After the shutdown of US government, we are seeing that market is going parabolically one way. See here. If you see the big candle, then you can see on higher time frame. See, see these candles. So what to say? It's look like market is not respecting the or have don't care about the US government shut, because markets always do opposite what retailers think. So many retailers are thinking that after the rate cut on rate cut day, Fed when Fed will cut the rate, market will go parabolically. Then what happen? Market dump from there. Okay, and market dumps before the US shut news, and people are trying to short after hearing the news of US government shut, and market pumps. So think always opposite. It will work for you, because there is a big whales which are sitting as an insider in US government or in UAE or in many countries. They have news before us. So if a news circulating in the market, that means it's already circulated to the big whales. So it has not a major effect at that time. So we have to prepare for this. No one is thinking about this mindset. and you say, and this is the proof. This dump, unnatural dump, you can see here, this is the dump on 25th September. You can see we dumped from this a very good rally and a dump. Why? In it's 26 to 18 September, sorry, 18 to 26 it dumped very hard. Okay, and the news comes US government will shut down it, making the base, trapping the peoples, and many peoples makes the position of short side, and you can see hunt the liquidity. So that's the difference. You have to think out of the box. Do you see any pullback? Fair enough. Thanks again. Another question. Can you please FAG in one of the charts? But I don't use smart money concept, FVG, block orders. I use purely price action. So if you want to find FVG, then I will give you a free indicator. Okay. So go and type FVG by FVG sessions by Lux Algo. Okay. Here you can see that this is the FVG for you. 114K is FVG. Yeah, these are the FVG level. These are the FVG sessions. Or if you are trying to find FVG fair value, FVG, just a minute, FVG trailing stop loss node, FVG imbalance. Somewhere I saw that indicator FVG and I use it many times in Forex. FVG order books. So why it is not working? Okay, so here you can see, yeah, this is the level of FVG you can use. If I see in other coins, so this is, so this is the level you can use, and it is predicting very right. So we have lots of indicators in the market and don't need anything to predict, to find. Okay, this is the second time I trapped in market by short, but not a very good loss, but a healthy loss. BNB is again ready. Where is BNB, guys? BNB is again ready for you. In next 2 minutes we have a news. Okay, I gave this trade to someone else personally, one of my friend, and the target hit. Okay, so BNB is also getting ready for the big bar. So keep eye on BNB also. BNB, Solana, XRP, this top coins is going to flow very well. Yes, Lux Algo indicators are good. Not good, very good. In 10 out of, I will give mark them 9 as perfect. but I don't use indicator. Only I use sentiments and price action, because markets work on sentiments and price action only. So right now price action, many retailers are thinking market will going to lose its strength, and they are shorting again and again. After touching the level of 118 to 120k, people will turn bullish, then market will dump from there. So that will be the game of the big monies for the retailers. So every retailer is not earning money. So if you want to earn money, then try to think different. Okay, so we have a news scandal. BTC is pumping, and if we see that what is the result, then we have to check this. ISM manufacturing PMI, we have 49.1 actual, and forecast is 49. Previous one is 48.7. ISM manufacturing price 61.9, and forecast is this. So um, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So it's good for USDT. Okay, or actual greater than forecast good for. So we have again a mixed data. One, this one is good for USDT, and this one is not good for USD. So again mixed data. What to do, guys? Market is trapping. Okay, so if you have anything else to ask me, or you want setup from me. Okay, guys, so it's time to leave the stream. Before that, I will suggest you to, if you want to go long on BTC, then try to long on this kind of pattern. Stop loss is below this, and make entry on the bullish candle here. Okay, or on Doge, you can see here. Okay, so if Doge traps this high, then you know the last live stream, so it is making this. Okay, so stop loss is below this level, and target is 1:2 towards the next psychological support. This will be our target in Doge. So this this is done. This will be turned out to be good support at this level, but ignore it. We will find some good setup. Ethereum is also going to break out this level soon, so keep eye on it. Or if you had a risk taking capacity, then go long on this, and SL will be this, and it will go up to the $4,400. Okay, and Fed already we talked about, and Floki. If this candles, you can go long on Floki till this level. This green is our target in Floki. Okay, GRT, no. H bar is also looking good for the long, so you can long, and your target will be 0.227. And the next one, hype. I think wait for hype, but you can also open long on hype. Okay, target will be 49. JUP, ICP is looking good. Definitely you have to go for the buy in ICP, and the target will be this level. So too many setups and too many 4 trades already opened, sorry, 3 trades already opened, and near is near to the resistance. So choice is yours. Too many setups given to you guys, and news already in the market. Peanut, pepe, peanut. Overall market is bullish. Overall market is bullish, and go on to the major coins. Now it traps render, so easily you can go for the long in the render also. Stop loss is below this level, and target will be 1:3. Okay, so open on this level, it's a good thing. Shiba Inu ignore. Solana ignore. Tau is getting ready for the breakout, so keep eye on Tau. Uni WIF is also getting ready, so keep eye on WIF. Okay guys, so any other question from your side? BTC hit 117k. Now it is going to take the liquidity. If you see that we have a good $100, we are positive $100, $50, $77. Esther is taking its time, but okay. But see the candle, that's why. It is a news candle, so sooner or later it will fill and then it will go up. Okay, so BTC is up guys, 117k breached. So we are back in the market. Okay, so guys, today's session is good. We have open trades. If I will cut the trade, then I will let you in the group. I will post it in the group. Okay. So if you have any other query or if you missed anything, then you can watch again. I gave you the 6 to 7 setups, already given 6 to 7 setups to you guys. Always available, brother, for taking questions, because I love the questions to answer. It will increase my knowledge. Okay, so anything else, or we are going this parabolically? Okay, so Pepe Blast not blasted yet, but soon we will see that it will go up. So overall scenario is overall overall scenario, if I say, is bullish, and on mm, higher time frame we are in a bullish phase or a bullish structure. And please like the stream guys, like the stream, please like the stream. If you like our stream, we have the energy to serve you daily, so it's needed guys. And if I say, we are on the support over here, so dominance is at the support, but okay, so finally 8 likes, sorry. So it's using as a liquidity candle guys, so wait for it. We are not in the direction of upside, because we are at the resistance, that's why we are not expecting this that kind of move. Okay, so we'll meet you on the next live soon, or if you have any query you can message me directly on the Telegram. And please like, like, like 7 likes done. all only needed 3 likes to become 10. So please like it. Would it trap us with same pattern last time in parabolic pump? You are talking about which pattern, brother? Overall, market is in uh, uptrend, so that kind of traps we can see. That kind of trend we always see. You showed last parabolic pump and drop from the there for BTC. Same thing again. Maybe it will happen, but only when they want to drop. They means whales. They will trap you. But every time same pattern will not follow for the trap. Next time they will follow different pattern. So every time they will follow different pattern to trap. If every time they use same pattern to trap you, then retailer will be more understood than whales. So they will use different pattern. Then we have to we have to figure it out for that before the dump. Okay, so it was overall a good session for us, and we have open trade. So try to figure out the patterns, trap patterns, or we say a trap or a liquidity hunt or liquidity sweep or liquidity grab pattern. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video, guys. Please like the video and comment down. We'll meet you in the next live tomorrow. Okay, so tata, bye bye, see you, take care and be careful, and use don't use over leverage, go with the good leverage. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Tata.